it's the way this brow is looking for me right now. So hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we're going to be doing an at-home brow lamination, and this is the first time I'm trying this out. I've never done this professionally, and I've never done this at home before, so we're going to be trying this out together for the first time. I'm going to be using this box from ICONSIGN, and this is a lash lift. Now guys, this is an eyelash perming kit, but you could also use this for your brows basically, and I've seen this on YouTube and it just gives like amazing results. So we're going to be doing this today. I'm hoping this is easy and I'm kind of scared, but I'm more excited for this. So what I want to do now is I'm going to just unbox this right here. This what we're going to be working with. So in this pack I have one false lash glue, I have a perm solution, I have a fixation solution, I have nutrition solution, I have a cleanser solution, and I have a box of cleaning tools lift pads. So let me just go ahead to open this up. Now the directions are at the back of this sleeves over here, so I'm going to just read these off. So in the clean tool box we have some, I don't know what to call this, it's like Y-shaped spatula, right? It has comb, like mini bristles, or I don't know if I should call it like a comb on one side right here. So this is like a comb like, and then this is what it looks like, right? And inside this lift pad we have, let me see, okay, I like this. So this is for your lashes, right? So if I were to be doing my lashes, if I were to be perming my lashes, I would be using this to kind of pull it up. Oh, I think I'm gonna do this. So the first thing it says is to use the cleanser, which is number 4, to cleanse the lashes. But in this case, I'm gonna be using this to cleanse my brows. This is going to remove any excess residue, any excess oil. Let me use a cotton pad for this. So I'm literally just scrubbing it off so that way I don't have any excess oil or any of that product on there. So these are what my brows are looking like naturally. So secondly, I feel like this is optional, but I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be using the lash glue. This is a false lash glue. I'm going to be using this on my brows, and I'm going to be using this to kind of position my brows to the form that I want it to be permed, if that makes sense. When it becomes a bit tacky, we can then push the hairs in place. So I'm going to be using this clean tool, and I'm going to be using the brush side of it. I don't know if you guys saw that, right? I'm going to be using that side to brush up my brow hairs. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Just to protect my skin, I'm going to be using this. Okay, so the next step says to apply this number 1 perm lotion, right? So I'm just going to open this up, and they're so small and cute. This actually smells like perm. It smells like relaxer. Yeah, it smells like relaxer. Okay, that's something to take note of. And guys, if you're doing this, it's best not to irritate your brows before doing this. So do not tweeze, do not pluck, do not do anything to your brows. So have this film over here, and I'm just going to wrap this. and we are going to be leaving this on for 10 minutes. I can feel some sort of like sensation, and I'm guessing it's the perm. We have exceeded the 9 minutes. So I'm gonna just take this out. Ooh, so I'm gonna dispose this. I don't want to reuse this, my brow. So I'm gonna go ahead to, it says to remove the excess perming solution with the wide brush. I'm going to be using this flat surface, not the brush side. I'm going to be using this flat side to kind of scrape out. Next up, I'm going to go in with the second, this is the fixing agent. I'm going to go in with this one. Same process. I'm going to apply this onto my brows and then use a plastic film to wrap it. And again, I'm going to leave this for another 10 minutes. Hey guys, so we've had this fixing agent for almost 10 minutes. Guys, so my solution just broke right now, which I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna be using this cotton pad to kind of absorb the excess liquid that I'm gonna be using, and use that to kind of cleanse this, because this needs to be cleansed. Guys, it's the way this brow is looking for me right now. Like, I wish I had thick, full brows. This would have been so gorgeous, but I'm loving how it's looking. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with the solution number 3. This is a nutrition, it's like a nutrition oil. I'm gonna go in with this. I'm going to saturate my brows with this because it does need all the love and nutrition that it can get at this point. Ooh, and guys, we are done. This is what my brows are looking like.